I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me.
Yo, and today we're cooking with Shaya. Yeah, cooking with Shaya. Cooking with Shaya. Cooking with Shaya. Cooking with Shaya. Tell them get out the room. I'm about. Sorry, I got a bit distracted, but hi guys, it's Shaya. Sorry. Anyways, today is the first episode of Cooking with Shaya. You know, like for me, it's me. It's me. Nobody can be me. Do you know what I mean? Today, sorry, this time I'm a bit hyper, but today I am going to be cooking mac and cheese with hot Nashville chicken tenders. Have I made mac and cheese before? No. No. Have I made chicken tenders before? Yeah. Yeah. Basically, to avoid wasting time, I already marinated the chicken. So what's in there is the buttermilk, all the seasoning, and then the red hot sauce, all of that. So that's that for like 4 hours. I'm not about to record this video for the whole day. That's what's starting to piss me off. But anyways, so yeah, so I'm gonna start making the mac and cheese. Ask me if I've got the right pasta. I don't know, but it looks like it's kind of right. So I'm assuming it's the right pasta. It looks quite right. I know that's too much, but so the background noise is basically just the cow boiling. But from my findings, you have to cook the cheese, all the seasoning into the cheese, and then you boil the pasta separately, and then you add it. You add it all together. And then, see, listen, right? I can cook, but today I was just trying to do something different, like something I haven't cooked before. So obviously, with the way I'm talking, it sounds like I can't cook, but guys, I can cook. Trust me, I can cook. I can cook. It's just I haven't made mac and cheese before, and I just wanted to be real with you guys. I wasn't about to be like, oh, like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna be real. Don't know what I'm doing. I know I have to boil the pasta and cook the cheese, and then it just goes bam, 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 bam. So we're gonna bam, 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 bam together. Yeah. I didn't know what cheddar to get, so I got mozzarella and red cheddar. With more mozzarella, because it's gonna be a long ass video. So here I'm just making the dry dip for the chicken. I used some self-raising flour. I've added some salt, and I've added some Cajun seasoning. And I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. Lads, if I'm mispronouncing any of this, like I want to. Sorry. So sorry. So sorry. Coming out. I literally just do ice cubes. Like I just use my eyes to tell. And then I usually dip the chicken in first, and then I see like if anything's missing. And if like the first one is always to test it. And if it doesn't taste good, then I'll just add some more. I'm adding some black pepper. Then I have some all-purpose seasoning. So I need to get that. A little bit. And then I have some garlic. I'm gonna use like a little bit of this. There. And I just have some paprika. I'm gonna use a spoon for this because too much is gonna come out. There. I'm probably gonna need a bit more flour. A little bit more flour. And then we literally just mix that again. And then I'm just gonna dip each tender in, and then we're good. So I've just plated my mac and cheese, and I'm gonna sprinkle some cheddar on it, and I'm gonna pop it into the oven for like a while. Mac and cheese is in the oven. I'm going to start double coating and frying the chicken. So basically, I get one of these, drop them inside here. I'm going to put it back in the batter and put it in here to make them super crispy, basically. And then I'm gonna drop it into here. While the chicken was frying, I made the sauce with basically the Kashmiri peppers. That's red hot sauce, brown sugar, and cayenne pepper. Then mix it together, put it on the stove, and pour that over the chicken when it's finished frying. The cheese is done. Don't mind, it looks a bit crispy, do you know what I mean? The chicken is also done. All I have to do is add some of our sauce onto the chicken and it's done. Ooh. I could coat it, but I'd rather like, you know what I mean? Pour it on there. Ooh. Hold on. Now all I have to do is find some victims to try my food. Can we just appreciate how cheesy the mac and cheese is? Like, wait, yum. Guys, don't play with me cooking. Don't play with me fucking cooking, bruh. Don't play with it. Is it good? Yeah. It's my little sister's approved. You have to see if it's Shaya approved. The plate. Here. Okay, start off with the mac and cheese. That is so good.
Oh God, it's so
This is my first time making mac and cheese, and I actually like did a really good job. Did I make this? No. Because the flavor in this chicken and the crispiness, it couldn't have been me. Because this is too good. This, I'm not even. Whoever marries me in the future is so lucky. Is actually so lucky. No place. It's so good. It's so. It's actually too good, guys. I'm not even glazing myself, but it's actually so, like, the flavor it's just jumping like guys. I ate that up. So I'm gonna go and devour this off camera because obviously like I have to like jump passing. But guys, I hope you loved this video. I hope you liked that. Hope if you didn't like it, like, do you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a few more cooking with Shayas. This is the very first one do by myself, but next one we're gonna have a few guests, you know, so keep an eye out and we go eat. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye.